right, I'm starting to work on harvesting the dry beans. These particular ones right here are my black beans. There's no time left really in the season that they're going to grow anymore. So, and I can tell that they're ready because when I look at the pods, I can actually, it's probably hard to tell in here, but I know that inside there is the size of the black bean that I want. So they're done growing. They're just kind of sitting in the ground, and the ground is wet every morning, so it's just kind of hanging out here. And we don't want them to get moldy, right? Moldy beans are no good, and I want to eat these. So right now, here's where I haven't pulled them out yet. But I'm just simply pulling them out, flipping them over, using the string that I have up to kind of just hold them up off the ground a little bit. All the green foliage is on the bottom. Now the root can start drying out and the pods can all start drying out. And I'll use that beautiful sunshine that God has given us to go ahead and start drying these out. And then eventually we'll hang them somewhere, and then we'll go through and pick all the pods. Here's another way that you can hang them too. Here's my fence that I have. I'm just starting to stick them in the fence right here, just to, again, let the sun do its job, which is brilliant. And here are some kidney beans here. So I pulled the pinto beans, started pulling kidney and black beans, and then I also pulled the dragon tongue beans too. So they're all hanging out, man, hanging loose. So that's what I'm doing with the dry beans.